up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together. We'll all sing better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever. I'll be yours forever.
Hey, how you doing? It's Nomad with Urban Nomads. So today I have really good news. I have bought from Amazon some LED lights to replace these old lights. Let me show you. So these old things use those old incandescent bulbs, which eat up a lot of power, and they're ugly and old anyway. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and then they're double. Then I have these single ones here, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those single ones. But what I did is I bought these from Amazon. I also got these LED bulbs for these night lights I have. So here they are. Ta-da! Pretty cool. And anything that I order, you can order from my Amazon store if you would like to support the channel. You can get these or any product I talk about. I'm gonna put on my Amazon store. I ordered solar panels too. Some Renogy 200 watt, two 100 watt panels. I'm not sure how to hook it up really. It's a kit. It comes with like the voltage regulator, so I guess I'm gonna go into that whole like universe of the solar panel thing. But the cool thing that I want to do is hook it up in such a way so that it'll keep charging this auxiliary battery, because right now the problem is that these RVs are not designed for urban living. You know, they're designed to be hooked up at your house, or they're designed to be hooked up at an RV park. But they're not really designed to be what we call boondocking, urban boondocking or whatever, or off-grid living. So I'm now realizing that that's why everyone's crazy about solar panels, because with solar panels, you don't have to run your generator, because that's what you would have to do every day is run your generator, use gas. And we have all this free energy just raining down on us. And solar panels are so cheap. So for 200 and something bucks, I got 260. I got these 2 solar panels. Again, the link is in my store if you're interested. But the main thing is that I'm going to be able to charge that auxiliary battery all the time, and then combining that with the efficiency of the LED lights, we should always have lights in here. So that's kind of what's happening. That's what I'm doing today. So I think I'm gonna change one and see what it's like. One-handed operation. There she blows. And one more to go. Okay, so there it is. That was fairly easy. So I just have to take those off. Okay. All right. So I finally got it installed, but it was a lot more work than I thought. I had a hard time getting the wires off the crimpers, you know, these things, and I basically had to cut them. So then I had to strip the wires again, and it was really hard, and my arms are sore from having to keep my arms up to crimp them. So that was the biggest problem. But once I got the wires crimped and stripped, then it wasn't hard. Although the holes did not match, but it was easy to just drill new holes with the new screws. So no problem, it works. See, 1, 2, none. Yay! So 5 more to go. So next, I got these bulbs for these night lights here, right there, and they're supposed to just go in. So I'm supposed to be able to just take out the old bulbs. That's what I'm supposed to be able to do. Like that. It wasn't hard. And I have these things. So they go like this. And then there's another part. Again, these you can buy. Anything I'm doing, I'm going to sell on my Amazon store to support the channel. So if you want to support urban nomads and our message of independence and freedom, you can click on the link to buy these. I'm trying not to keep saying this all the time, but whatever. If you don't know, you don't know. So let's see. I should be able to just put that in there, just like the other bulb. Wait. Left turn. There we go. In there. Okay. And then I just put these in like this. Maybe I should have practiced before I did this. You know, there's a new law. Someone has to invent this law. I'm gonna call it Will's Law. I don't want my name named after that law. Ah, it's working. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know these lights worked. Wow, they work. Awesome. Freaking awesome. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, good. Making progress here. So, yeah, these only cost like $4 or something like that. It wasn't a lot at all. And so, you know, in situations where you have those incandescents, like I could have used these, but I wanted to just replace the whole housing because it looks better. So yeah. So that's it for today's RV lighting lesson. Again, you can get these on our Amazon store, and yeah, man, you combine this with solar panels and you're good to go. No more problems with light at night. No excuse nowadays. All right, I'll talk to you later.